15.1 100 to 200 and 15.9 200 to 300. I mean, that's sounds very fast.
Yeah.
15.9. I think the GTR I had with stock, it was like 40 seconds or something like that.
Okay.
So that felt but very nice, very effortless. The only thing you noticed that we had a high speed was a bit sound noise from the windows.
From the windows, yes.
But I mean, in the end, it's more comfortable than a GTR, which I've been driving a lot. This, I think it indicated 330 on the speedometer.
Yeah, exactly. How much was